Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Scar Island. So in this book, our main character Jonathan is the newest member at Slab Hinge Reformatory School for Troubled Boys. So like the name suggests, Slab Hinge is just basically a big slab of cement. It's very dark and dismal, it's ancient and crumbling, and it's in the middle of the water, so kind of like Alcatraz. But Jonathan feels like this is exactly what he deserves, because he has committed a terrible crime, and he is willing to take whatever punishment that they give him. So just as he's starting to get used to his new situation, a freak accident happens at Slab Hinge, and it leaves all of the troubled youth without any adult supervision. So now they are free, and they have the entire island to themselves. But with this freedom comes danger. If Jonathan cannot accept his sins and deal with his past, he will not be able to help his new friends escape that danger, and all of the troubled youth might be doomed. So can Jonathan escape his past, and can he help all of these troubled teenagers and be a role model for them? To find out, read Scar Island. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.